In today's fast-paced world, effective project management is no longer a luxury but a necessity for individuals, teams, and organizations of all sizes. The ability to plan, organize, and track tasks efficiently can be the difference between success and missed opportunities. Fortunately, a plethora of project management tools have emerged to streamline these processes. Among the popular contenders are Asana and Wrike, both offering robust features designed to enhance collaboration and productivity. For those venturing into the realm of project management software or seeking a tool that aligns perfectly with their needs, the choice between Asana and Wrike can feel daunting. This video aims to demystify these platforms, providing a clear and straightforward comparison to help you make an informed decision. We'll delve into their core functionalities, strengths, and weaknesses, highlighting which tool might be a better fit for different scenarios. Understanding the basics, Asana and Wrike at a glance. Think of project management software as a central hub for all your project-related activities. It allows you to break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, track progress, and communicate effectively with your team. Both Asana and Wrike excel in providing these fundamental capabilities, but they approach them with slightly different philosophies and feature sets. Asana is often lauded for its intuitive and visually appealing interface. It emphasizes task management and team collaboration, making it particularly well-suited for teams that prioritize seamless communication and flexible workflow management. Its design is generally considered more user-friendly, especially for those new to project management tools. Wrike, on the other hand, positions itself as a more comprehensive work management platform. While it certainly handles project management effectively, it also offers a broader range of features geared towards enterprise-level needs, including resource management, workload balancing, and advanced reporting. Wrike is often perceived as more powerful and customizable, albeit with a steeper learning curve compared to Asana. Core features and functionality, what they offer. Let's take a closer look at the key features that both Asana and Wrike bring to the table. Task management. At their core, both platforms allow you to create, assign, and manage tasks. You can break down projects into individual action items, set due dates, add descriptions, and attach relevant files. Both offer features like recurring tasks and dependencies, linking tasks so one must be completed before another can start. Collaboration and communication. Effective teamwork hinges on clear communication. Both Asana and Wrike provide various ways for team members to interact, including commenting on tasks, tagging colleagues, and sharing updates. Asana's focus on team collaboration is evident in its design, making it easy for everyone to stay in the loop. Wrike also offers robust communication tools, often integrated within the context of specific tasks or projects. Project views and organization. How you visualize your project data can significantly impact your understanding and efficiency. Both platforms offer multiple views, such as list views, Kanban boards, visualizing tasks as cards moving through stages, and calendar views. Wrike often provides more advanced visualization options, including Gantt charts for detailed timeline management. Reporting and analytics. Tracking progress and identifying potential roadblocks is crucial for successful project delivery. Both Asana and Wrike offer reporting features that allow you to monitor task completion, team workload, and project status. Wrike's reporting capabilities are generally considered more comprehensive, offering customizable dashboards and advanced analytics. Integrations. In today's interconnected digital landscape, the ability to integrate with other tools is paramount. Both Asana and Wrike offer a wide range of integrations with popular applications, such as email clients, Gmail, Outlook, file storage services, Google Drive, Dropbox, and other business tools. Strengths and weaknesses. Weighing the pros and cons. To make a truly informed decision, it's essential to understand the specific strengths and weaknesses of each platform. Asana. Strengths. User-friendly interface. Asana's clean and intuitive design makes it easy for new users to get started quickly. Strong collaboration features. It excels in facilitating team communication and keeping everyone aligned. Flexibility. Asana adapts well to various project types and team workflows. Affordable pricing. generally offers more accessible pricing plans, especially for smaller teams. Weaknesses, less comprehensive for enterprise needs. May lack some of the advanced features required by larger organizations, such as robust resource management. Reporting can be basic. While adequate for many, its reporting capabilities might not be sufficient for in-depth analysis.